Let's taste it to Super Crunch by collaboration for Beanie. So last time na nakalagay dyan sa last video. Okay, next. Tikman na natin ay Super Crunch. Go. So good. The next one is all-time favorite Super Crunch cheese flavor. Natin. As you can see guys, the texture is the real cheese. Kumbaga dun sa green one as corn flavor, parang dilaw na siya. Kaya let's taste this. So good. So good. Next one for the Super Crunch Special Chip Charon. You won't believe it's not a pork. Pinoy bawang. I cannot believe. Bango. Bango guys. Pwede? Pwede sa pulutan. Ay, bawal naman ganito. Pero, okay lang. It's not too much na ganitong flavor. I guess the flavors is great. I think nasa na yung lasa yung bawang. Anyway, next one, the last part is Super Crunch Special Chip Charon. This is a lechon kawali. Malambot na yung isa, yung Pinoy bawang. Ito naman ay lechon kawali. Wow! This is so amazing. Mga gusto ng ganitong Super Crunch collaboration with Beanie, I choose to recommend it for this one and then that one for cheese. Ayun lang, thank you so much for watching mga ka-blooms.